This three-dimensional depiction is really illustrated not just through these vanishing point and these perpendicular and diagonal angles. It's the fact that you have the vanishing point. So you have this V, upside down V, right? And the point of the horizon, basically, any object at the point of the horizon becomes relatively smaller, regardless as if that deriving from an inertial frame of reference. I think it's a term I'm coining from Einstein's whole theory of special and general relativity, when he get into the whole idea of frame of reference, perspective. And because I'm closer to the glass, what you notice is the image that's reflecting off the glass in front of me is sharp.
Converge. Cross-disciplinary studies is when you take an explanatory position of one discipline within the context of another. So we are approaching mental disorder from a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, and a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary perspective, which interdisciplinary falls within the category of where mutually exclusive disciplines sort of permeate each other to formulate new ideas or groundbreaking paradigms. So we've taken these approaches